Good morning, reception. How are you all? You have become halving experts, and you may have just heard somebody who wants to come and say hello again. Do you remember Munch, the maths monster? I had asked him to find half of these flowers, but look what he did. Has he halved these flowers correctly? Can you help him? I don't think he's halved these flowers correctly. What do you think? Do you think he has? Or do you think he hasn't? Right, let's look at the first one. Munch, what happened here? This is a lotus flower. How do we know that this flower is not half? He thinks it is. He thinks it has two equal parts. What do you think? It does not have two equal parts. It needs to be half down the middle. Exactly. Can you tell me when to stop to make sure that I have halved it correctly? And hopefully this will work. Tell me when to stop. I hear you shouting. That means that this is halved correctly. What do you think, Mum? Is that better? Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this flower in the middle. You can't quite see most of it. Has he halved it correctly? Yes or no? Munch the maths monster. What is going on today? Maybe you need to go and check your eyes. Let's see. Tell me when to stop when we find half. Oh, let's see. When do you think we'll find half? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Are we there yet? Have I gone too far? Oh, okay. I'm just going to pop the maths monster down a little bit. And let's see if we can put this right back in the right place. There we go. That is half of my flower. I'm just going to make that a little bit smaller. Right, as you can see poking out here is a sunflower. And can you see half a sunflower? Don't think so. I can see more than half. So let's see if we can make this right. I'll pull this back over here a little bit. Now, tell me when to stop. Reception. Have I halved that correctly? Yes, I have, because I have done it in the middle. There we go. Fantastic. Thank you for your help. Munch, do you want to say anything? Oh, he says thank you too. Right, we are going to carry on halving our objects. And today you're going to be learning about something called the part-part-whole model. And the part-part-whole is this diagram. A diagram is just a fancy word of saying a picture. This diagram. So, what animal can you see on our page over here? That's right, it's a bumblebee. So we are going to count our bumblebees. You're going to help me count too. I want to hear you. And we are going to write the total number of bumblebees at the very top in this green circle. So I'm going to make sure I get my pen. There we go. But first we have to count them. Let's go back. Let's count them together. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many do I have altogether? 6 bumblebees. So I am going to write the total number of bumblebees at the top of my part-part-whole model, the number 6. Now I want to halve the number of bumblebees. So when I'm halving, I need to remember they have to be 2 equal groups. What do they have to be? 2 equal groups. And to do this, I'm going to share my bumblebees between the 2 yellow circles. I'll move that back. So And then we're going to count the totals. So we've got 1. They might not fit, but we'll see. In that one, 1 in that one. So far there's 2 in each. 1 in this one and 1 in this one. I'm sharing between 2 circles. 1 in this one and 1 over here. Now let's count each circle to check how many bumblebees I have. I have 1, 2, 3 bumblebees in this section. So I'm going to write 3 underneath. I'll write it there. And let's count how many I have in it. 1, 2, 3. I also have 3 here. Are they both the same? Yes, they are. So I have managed to find half of 6. Half of 6 is 3. Great work, reception. Let's move on to another one. So we now have some ladybirds, and we're going to count the ladybirds. Can you have a go counting first? You can pause the video. Okay, hopefully you've counted. So let's see if you're right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have 8 ladybirds in total. So where am I going to write the number 8? Can you remember? That's right, I'm going to write it in the green circle at the top. I'm going to write 8 in the green circle. Let's see if you can remember how to share. Maybe you can have a go doing this on your whiteboards and share 8 objects into 2 circles. That'd be wonderful. So let's see, I'm going to put 1 ladybird here and 1 ladybird here. 1 in this circle, 1 in this circle, 1 in this circle, and another 1 in this circle. 1 in this circle and 1 in this circle. These are just about in the circles, they're a bit big. But how many ladybirds do I have in each circle? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 in this circle. I'm going to write 4 over here. And I'm going to count again over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to write 4 underneath here. Are they equal? Yes or no? Yes, they are. There are 4 in each. So half of 8 is 4. Right, let's do another one. And this time I definitely want you to draw this on your whiteboard and have a go doing this first. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 10 sunflowers. Where am I going to write the number 10? Can you do it first? Okay, I'm going to write the number 10 in my top circle. How shall I share the sunflowers now? Let's see. Can you tell me whether I'm doing this correctly? I'm going to do, oh, that seems to be a bit of a problem here. Let's see if I can quickly sort this out. Okay, let's see. Hopefully that will work now. Yes, so I'm going to put 1 here, 1 here. These are a tad bit too big, but it's okay. 1 here and 1 here. Another 1 here. Let's make sure I don't get mixed up. Another 1 here. 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 Has Mrs. Paul done this correctly? Yes or no? Let's check. Let's by counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 sunflowers in this circle. I'm going to write 6 here because I don't have a space underneath. And let's see how many sunflowers I have on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my goodness, I've made a mistake somewhere. 4. Are they equal? No, they're not equal. I have 6 on this side and 4 on this side. Right, now I need to work out how I can make them equal. I know. I need to move one sunflower over to this side. Now let me check, and I'm going to rub these out because I know it's going to be a different amount, but I also need to check what amount it's going to be. So let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 on this side. Fantastic, I made it equal. That means half of 10 is 5. All right, so what I would like you to do is I'd like you to find half of these numbers down here. I will highlight these for you. Half of these numbers using your own counting objects. You can use pasta, beads, buttons, anything you can find to help you count. Counters if you've got them, Lego bricks, anything you can use. So you are going to count the total. So you're going to using your part, whole diagram. So you're going to be finding halves of these numbers which are highlighted. You could even use paper plates to, if you don't want to draw circles. If you've got those at home, you use 3 paper plates. You need to put 2 by either side and 1 at the top, and put your total at the top for your objects and find half using paper plates. Or you could just draw the circles. It's up to you. But you need to show me using your counting objects so I can see your counting. Please upload a video or a photo of you completing this activity. I look forward to seeing all your learning, reception, and please try and not make the same mistakes that Munch and I did too. So look forward to seeing your great work, guys.